try the Insta costume makeup kit by Fashion Angels. It's super easy and fun, and let's get started. So I'm gonna try the Boho Fawn. So I'm gonna open this up and try it. So I got it open, and let's just do this. I have the instructions here to do this stuff and the dotting, but you can also make it your own. So let's get started. The first thing is to use the applicator right here. Here it is. See it. And it looks like we are using the brown first, and there's also white for something else. Let's put this on. Now let's fill it in. Okay, that side's filled in. So here it is. Now I'm gonna trace the other side. Okay, now I'm gonna fill it in. There it is. And now it looks like you do the forehead, and it goes the nose, and it circles. So I think I'm gonna start from the nose and circle around. So it starts here, goes up, like that. Down. And now I just need to connect this here. And it colors in, so let's color this in. It's colored in. So I have my cheeks, my forehead, and my other cheek. And we're gonna put the stencil on now with the white and stencil in the brush. And dots. I'm gonna see if I made it. I made it on! Okay, perfect. Now, I'm gonna do the other side. Ta-da! And now, there! And I'm gonna put some on my forehead. And the rest, dot. Ta-da! So now that I did all this, I'm gonna do my nose. So let's get the brown right there, like that. And the nose, it just leaves all brown. There! Now I have this, and I'm gonna put on lipstick now. You don't have to put on lipstick, or you can. I'm using this color, but you can use any color you want. The finishing touch is the headband. Put it on. And now I'm a Boho Fawn. Thank you so much, Fashion Angels. This was so much fun to do and super easy.